In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the market capitalization of coins using CoinMarketCap. If you're interested in the cryptocurrency space, understanding market capitalization is a crucial aspect that can give you insights into the size and importance of different coins. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice and navigate to CoinMarketCap's website. CoinMarketCap is one of the most trusted cryptocurrency market tracking websites on the internet, providing detailed information about thousands of cryptocurrencies. You can head to their website by simply typing in coinmarketcap.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by a wealth of information about the current state of the cryptocurrency markets. Now, the next step is to focus on the coin you want to learn more about. From the home page, you'll see a list of the top cryptocurrencies sorted by market capitalization. This is a handy feature because it gives you a quick glance at which coins dominate the market, often known as blue chip cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Click on the name of any coin that piques your interest. As an example, let's say you want to know more about Ethereum. Simply click on Ethereum from the list. Once you've clicked on the coin, you'll be taken to a page that is packed with detailed information about it. This is where you can find everything from historical data, past price actions, and of course, its market capitalization. The market cap is crucial as it reflects the total dollar market value of a cryptocurrency's circulating supply. Essentially, it's the current price of the coin multiplied by the number of coins currently in circulation. This number gives you an idea of the coin's relative size in the market. On this coin-specific page, you'll want to locate the Market Cap tab, which is typically displayed prominently near the top or center of the page. It's easy to find and often in large font, signaling its importance. By clicking on Market Cap, you'll get detailed information and metrics that show you how the market cap has evolved over time for that specific coin. This can be incredibly useful for tracking trends and making informed decisions about your investments. There you have it, a straightforward process to find and understand the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies using CoinMarketCap. Just to recap, visit CoinMarketCap, find the coin you're interested in, and click on the Market Cap section once you're on the coin's detailed page. This simple skill can provide you with valuable insights into the health and potential growth of a cryptocurrency, empowering you to make smarter investment choices. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Happy investing!